Greetings from Dystopia, episode 170. Let's go shoot some birds with a camera. Heading back down to Four Rivers. In fact, I'm almost there. Got some good feedback on the bread yesterday. And I'm telling you, you guys, the no-knead breads are so easy. Sourdough breads are so easy. It's one of those things. Just don't overthink it. I'll post a link down below in the description to the one that started it for me anyways, was Mark Bittman's New York Times article about no-knead breads. Indirectly, I've been making bread like that for years and just never knew it had a name, which is actually kind of funny. That was something I learned in Germany. The neighbor showed me how to do it because she made a really good, very thin flatbread. It almost looked like I forgot the name of it. Biscotti. So it was a very low loaf of bread. And it was just the shape of her pan, and that was the way everything settled down. So that was the shape she used. And that was just the best bread. And so she showed me how to make it like that, and I played with it a little bit over the years by, widening the pan to make it thinner, or getting narrower Dutch ovens, taller Dutch ovens, using the Pyrex baking dishes. I just forgot the brand name or whatever, but the glass baking dishes. You've all seen them. They're white bottoms, usually with a clear lid. Changing up shapes of the bread, and then I learned by forming it more into a ball than letting it go flat, it would retain that shape and create the more pot boule, the more what we think of as proper French breads. Instead of a baguette or whatever, it's just a round loaf of bread. Anyway, it's all really simple, really straightforward bread. Like I said, it's good, honest bread. And so I'll post a photo right here. There's 3 books I'd recommend if you want to make your breads. 2 of them are on no-kneads and sourdoughs. The 3rd book is a book by Paul Hollywood. He's a bit of a TV celebrity baker in the UK, as well as the States, for those of you who watch the Great British Bake Off, I think is the title of the show. A lot of you will know him from there. You can easily adapt the basic bread recipes that you learned in the first 2 books to his, and it makes it good. Makes good, simple bread. Anyway, I'm here. Let me mount up the camera, and let's go for a walk. See you in a bit. All right, we're heading down to the river. See what we can see down here for birds, and who knows what else we'll see. It is just beautiful this morning. It's about 64 right now. I think it was 62 when I looked at the van. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Compared to yesterday with the rain and everything, this makes it totally worth it. Give you guys a little bit of a swing around here. And again, we're Four Rivers, the Environmental Education Center. Their restored prairie. I don't know if he showed up in there or not. Big old monarch butterfly. For a minute I stopped because he was heading straight towards me, and I thought, I have had him land on me before, and that's pretty cool. The other thing I've been kind of keeping my eye out for is praying mantises, but I've not seen a lot this year. But clearly they're here because everybody's posting pictures of them. That'd be a really cool one to get on video. Got the Lumix here all jazzed up on the big heavy tripod. So yeah, that's my body weight exercise today. Carrying this camera out and back on the tripod. All right, let me get down here and I'll see you guys at the river. Took me a little while to find this guy. He was running along behind me, and I didn't see him. And then all of a sudden, you know what's funny is I don't believe that's a catbird, but the second I stepped away, I heard something behind me, and just that quick, a female catbird came down, gave him some food, and then jumped back up. So apparently she's adopted this guy. I've never seen a catbird chick, you know. So I'm not sure if that was a catbird or not, but it's still pretty cool. Again with the spying? Jeez, quit, will you? Watch this piece. Go watch this. Let me eat my lunch in peace. Watch this piece. Alright folks, that's it for today. Had a good time. Got some, I think, some fairly decent video. The good stuff will end up in this episode. It's a nice thing about being the editor, so to speak. The bad stuff I can get rid of quickly. It never happened. Anyway, that's it guys. Be good, be well, wear a mask if you have to. Stay smart, be mighty, be strong.